Welcome back to the Room of the Month Challenge, where we are in week 3 of 4 weeks in this exciting guest bedroom transformation before and after. I have been so excited to show you what I've been up to in this guest bedroom, and hopefully I've been giving you a few DIY makeover ideas if you're redecorating in your home. In the first week of this challenge, you saw my inspiration board, and in week 2, we went shopping. This week, you're going to get a sneak peek at the room as it's coming together, and I did a few little budget DIYs for the guest bedroom, and I can't wait to share those with you. And we're already almost at week 4, and it went really fast. And I'm so excited to show you the great big reveal of the whole room. Make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss out on that finale. If you're new here, I just want to say thank you for being here and visiting my channel. I'm Maria and I'm a graphic designer, so I love being creative pretty much all day, every day, whether it be at work or home. And I share home decor, fashion, and recipe videos, with cupcakes being my absolute favorite. So if you like cupcakes and creativity, please make sure to hit that bell so you can get all kinds of creative ideas right here on Artsy Cupcake. This Room of the Month Challenge is hosted by Heidi Sonboul, and it's also being tackled by some of my friends here on YouTube. I will make sure to leave that link to the playlist below so you can follow along on the rooms that they're redecorating too. So I want to show you how my guest bedroom is coming along. This week was really busy. I hung those sheer curtains and I'm really happy with how they look. I think that they're really soft and breezy and elegant, and they're just the perfect touch to make this room super inviting. I also did a painting with those 2 canvases I found at Walmart, and I used acrylic paint and I used beige, blue, and white to create a really soothing painting that reminds me a little bit of an abstract ocean scene. I even added a little texture to hint at some sand. And I love that this painting adds a little bit of color with that light blue, yet it still keeps the nice neutral colors that I wanted for this room. Plus, there isn't another one like it out there, so it makes it even more special for the guests staying in that room. I put together those nightstands with the wooden planks that I found at Walmart, and then those metal legs that I found on Amazon. And I loved how simple and elegant this came out, and it was such an easy project to put together. I added this headboard and I found a matching bench for the end of the bed. I got these on Amazon too for a really good price. And then I also found this little luggage rack on Amazon. I will link all these items in the description box below in case you see something that you like. Next Thursday, I will be sharing the big reveal of this guest bedroom. You're going to see all the little extra touches that I put together to make guests feel super special when they're visiting. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see this guest bedroom makeover finale. I can't wait to share it with you guys, and I hope you're as excited about it as I am. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.